Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna present the cultural and the financial center of the West United States in America, the San Francisco. I will talk about the eight parts of the San Francisco, such as cost of living, job possibility, type of housing, transportation, things to do, climate, geographical location, living environment, and cultural grander population. So first, we need to a place to live, right? So we are talking about the cost of living. For a studio, it's for 2013 for per month. But usually, people will choose like two bedroom or house because you can have roommates, so you can share the rooms, so you can pay less than normal. And the utilities cost around 115 per month. But the job possibility in San Francisco, there are many jobs to do. But for the one very famous for everyone for the world is local violin because here is all the big technology company such as eBay, Apple, or Google. But type of house is usually mainly based on apartment because San Francisco is many people here, so there are not many place to build a house or a big place. And for transportation, usually it's bus, subway, and taxi. But in San Francisco, they have special one. One is called the Central bus, and the one is called the Bar Subway. That's the mainly transportation the San Francisco people always use. For the things to do or see, obviously, the Golden Gate Bridge, the very famous place that everyone will visit in San Francisco. And you can go like Lombard Street or Atlas Island, but because I'm Chinese people, so I prefer to go to Chinatown. By the way, the San Francisco's Chinatown is the biggest one in the world, so you must be go to see it and eat some Chinese food. But the climate, actually, San Francisco has a very nice and comfortable temperature for everyone because it's near the ocean, so the weather is so nice, not too hard, not too cold. It's comfortable. And I already talked about the geographical location because it's near the sea. So you can visit beach and see the beautiful ocean and swimming also. That's for the living environment. That's depend on yourself because you can live with your family. Also, it's a big city and a very popular city that people choose to live because here in San Francisco they have everything for food, for education, for job possibility. Also, you can live by yourself because there's good schools like such as some famous university or high school, so you can have good education right here. But If you want to work, also you can go to like such as the big company like Apple, Google, so you can get paid for very much money. For the cultural grander population, it's, it's not much man right in here. So if you are girl or woman, you choose come here, you may find some your boyfriend maybe in the future. Or if you are a man, you come here, you will know a lot of women or girls. And for the population right here is to have everyone because it's international. This San Francisco is actually is international city. You can see white people, Asian people, black or African American people. You can know everyone. So that's also an opportunity for everyone to stay here because you will know a lot. Thank you.